If the mind is non-material, what is stopping it from leaving the universe, or alternatively, what is allowing it to be captured within the physical human experience of the universe? I would argue that if it is able to interact with and influence or be influenced by physical stuff, then it would also have to consist of physical material, and even that we do not have the instrumentation to physically measure its existence or follow its progress when it leaves a dead body, our subjective experience of being conscious within a physical existence is enough for us to conclude that mind is also physical, rather than having to believe that it is not. That if we are to accept the claim that concepts in and of themselves are non-physical because they exist in the mind or are of the mind, but are not able to be physically measured, we would have to be shown that this is clearly the case. For example, mathematics is seen in this manner, yet clearly mathematics is used to describe the physical universe, and so it is not simply a concept which cannot be measured, but rather it is actually a device used for measuring. The same would apply to thoughts/ideas, and indeed anything which the mind is able to experience. Also, just because other minds involved with human experience cannot objectively experience any other individual minds does not mean that minds are not made of physical matter. Sure, one could remain open to the eternal first cause having both material and immaterial aspects, in that one is open to any compelling reason to say that it has to be the case. But I think that this openness has to include logic and rationality, and until a compelling argument is made as to why the notion should remain on any table of discussion, it shouldn't be treated as a given necessary concept to include as a serious alternative contender if the idea that all matter is eternal answers the questions which arise regarding consciousness/mindfulness.